adding video as your header to your LinkedIn newsletter or article. So let me show you now. Here we go. There we are. So you see on here, it says add a cover image or video to your article. Have you got a LinkedIn newsletter on your company page or on your personal profile? I'd like to hear if you're using this feature, first of all. And then I want to know, will you add video to the top of your newsletter? You may have heard me talk about LinkedIn newsletters before, and why they're so brilliant is that someone connects with you on LinkedIn, they are then invited to subscribe to your newsletter. So that's how your newsletter can grow. I have about 15,500 connected to my newsletter. So not everybody you are connected to will subscribe to your newsletter. That's the first thing. People will subscribe to your newsletter who are not connected to you. So they want to hear from your knowledge and tips and advice if you've got a regular newsletter, but they don't really care about connecting with you. So one of the benefits is when you include video in your newsletter and your subscribers receive the newsletter into their inbox on Hotmail, Gmail, Outlook, wherever they get their email, it will show up as a video clip email from LinkedIn. So that is the difference that this could make. I think it's really interesting. So I want to hear if anyone is going to use this. A video is going to have to relate to your newsletter. And then those video clips, I'm going to put the video, once it's edited, over onto YouTube, and then I'm going to embed I'm going to put the video then into my LinkedIn newsletter as well. So it'll be interesting to see how that can all connect up together, because it's saying upload the video from your computer, add a link to Vimeo or YouTube here. Whereas if you embed your video into your newsletter, you can use a YouTube link. If I send out my newsletter and it's relating to, say, company pages, and then I'm able to embed 2 of the videos I have on YouTube about company pages into the newsletter. So people read my newsletter, they click on the video and takes them to my YouTube channel, which works really well for me. Obviously, LinkedIn want us to stay on their platform. Will we be able to trace who clicks on the video? Will we be able to see numbers and analytics on who's clicking on the video? These are the things we want to try stuff out, but only if we know that it's working and it's of benefit to us and our businesses. So we do need to have data to back the stuff up. Video at the top of your article or your newsletter.